What are you gonna do about it, bitch? I kill you, I kill you. I find you, I kill your family, fire your house. You don't mess with me! Те го пласим, брат ми. Пуре, има ли тебе? Пурчо. А колки я? That make a big man. Брате, ovaj neki šiptar ili albanac. Jebem li mu sisku. Pure. Purčo, ima li te purčo? Shut the fuck up, shut the fuck up. You mute me fucking Albanian bitch. Suck my big dick. Bro, no one gives a shit about your Yugoslavic countries, man. Just shut the hell up. I'm not from Yugoslavia, bitch. I'm from Serbia. You're Slavic countries, bro. No one really cares. Shut up. Are you Ottoman shit? You is maybe Turkish. Yes, I'm Ottoman, bro. I'm from Turkey. My grandfather is fuck your grandfather and your Mustafa. Yeah, you laugh, huh? What are all the Albanians dead, huh? What are they?
Learn how to speak.
Goodbye.
Learn how to speak, please.
Goodbye. You can't even speak English. Open your damn mouth, little cunt. Open it.
Learn how to speak.
Learn how to get a dick out your mouth, faggot. Milošević Obilić kill ko se vikaše Murat Suleiman of Turkey's Ottoman Empire, and we must come again on Kosovo and we fuck your Ottoman bitch shit, fucking pussy shit. Your grandfather is big shit. Pure, ima li te? Purčo. Će ga zakoljamo ovoga Semku.
Ma te ga nađemo, brati.
Ali izgleda je Srbin. Does that mean something in your bitch ass language or what? Meni govna me, da nisi...
Imagine being dumb Turkey that has zero IQ. Learn how to speak.
Feel my blade!
Nešto mnogo ludi, bre.
Feel my blade! Dođi Bemli, ti gledaj koliko bega. Joj, jebem ti trola kad mu puštiš ulti, brate. Help! Pomagajte me! Jebem ti igranje, be! Tamo daleko od mora